Welcome to the User Interface module for Zappos Sponsored Campaigns. This module will help you navigate the UI in order to create, edit, optimize, or monitor your Zappos Sponsored Products campaigns and their performance. In this module, we'll start with an important consideration to note while navigating through the UI, followed by the 5 specific sections that are relevant to Zappos Sponsored Products campaigns. Before we begin, it's incredibly important to note that Zappos Sponsored Products Program campaigns are supported within the existing Microsoft Advertising UI, the UI used to support Bing search and shopping campaigns. This means that there are many features and functions that are not applicable to your Zappos campaigns. The features applicable to Zappos campaigns are a more streamlined set within the UI. This UI also differs if you are running on other PromoteIQ retailers. The feature guide is intended to walk you through the applicable areas of the UI for your Zappos campaigns. Adjusting any other parts of this UI risks negative effects to your Zappos campaigns. For the Zappos Sponsored Products program, there are 5 areas in the UI to focus on: campaigns, ad groups, if you subsegment categories, product groups, reports, and tools. Let's start with campaigns. Once you accept the invitation to your account and log in, the UI will default to the Overview tab. This tab allows you to quickly scan visuals that tell you how your campaign is doing through tiles. However, few tiles are actually relevant for Zappos Sponsored Product campaigns, so we recommend using the Campaigns tab instead. The Campaigns tab contains visuals of your summarized campaign performance for the given date range. On this tab, you are able to view performance based on different time ranges, adjust your campaign daily budget, see Adjusting Your Daily Budget training on our help desk site for more information, and compare different metrics for a given time period. To properly assess your performance metrics, you will need to adjust the columns in this view in the following manner. Number 1, select the columns icon, which is that icon right there that contains 3 columns, and then click Modify Columns. On the rightmost panel, ensure only the following columns are added, and please remove any other defaults: campaign status, campaign, budget. These all can be found within the Attributes section, IMPR, which stands for impressions, clicks, and spend. These all can be found in the Performance section, and Conv, which stands for conversions, revenue, and ROAS. And these can be found in the Conversion section as highlighted in the example on the right. Ensure these are the only columns chosen, as many, like the overall UI, are not relevant or applicable to the Zappos program. Please note that the Ad Groups tab is only relevant if you have segmented your campaign outside of just targeting all products. Similar to the Campaigns tab, this tab contains visuals of your summarized ad group performance for the given date range. This tab is only applicable if you segment your campaigns further than just targeting all products. No bid or budget adjustments can be made from this tab. It is simply to view performance. On this tab, you can view performance based on different time ranges and compare different metrics for a given time period. Similar to the Campaigns tab, you will need to adjust your columns to ensure you are only viewing the metrics for the Zappos program. Please refer back to the slides describing the Campaigns tab columns. The Product Groups tab will show you how your product groupings are organized in each campaign. This is also where you can adjust the bids of your SKUs or your groupings. On this tab, you can view performance based on different time ranges, compare different metrics for a given time period, and adjust your bids. Please see the Adjust Your Bids training for more information on our help desk site. In order to view the list of products Zappos is sending to our system for your campaigns, you'll want to navigate to your feed. To do this, you will click Tools and then Shopping for Brands, which is under the Shared Library column. From there, you'll select the Download Matched Product List button to download the latest feed of SKUs for your brands that are being sent to our system from Zappos. Please note that within the file, at times you may see 6pm.com included in the feed. At this time, we are not running ad units on 6pm.com, so please disregard these rows. To assess performance of your Zappos sponsored product campaigns, you can pull reporting from our reporting UI. Within the UI, click the Reports icon on the top right-hand side of your screen. Then select Reports, Product Ads, and Product Dimension. For more information on how to pull this report properly, please view the Zappos Sponsored Products Reporting training on our help desk site. Reminder: the sections of the UI covered in this module are all you will need to help create, edit, optimize, and monitor your Zappos sponsored product campaigns. Adjusting any other settings on any other tabs puts your campaigns at risk of adverse effects. Full functionality of Bing campaign settings, such as audiences, are not available for Zappos sponsored product campaigns. Thank you.